So a lot of people might be overthinking this, and playing the right AI tokens, which we're going to talk about in this video, could be legit the easiest way, the simplest way. Buy the right AI tokens, wait till Binance list them, have them go up 20x, sell them, buy our Ferraris. It might be that there could not be a simpler strategy right now to make money in the entire world, not just in crypto. Let me show you the thesis of what the big dogs are saying. We're going to jump straight in. CryptoPunk7213 said on Twitter, an ex-A16Z Chad has been appointed to guide AI policy in the USA. Don't know what that means? It means the USA is very bullish on AI. The incoming president and vice president both own crypto. What does that mean? The USA is very bullish on crypto. The incoming president also runs a DeFi protocol. What? Trump owns a DeFi protocol, guys. This could not be more bullish for DeFi, for crypto. It buys tens of millions of dollars of ETH and alts every single week. Pro technologist and big crypto owner David Sachs has been appointed as crypto and AI czar, meaning the regulations is going to favor crypto and AI. OpenAI are releasing their AI agent product in Q1 of 2025, following the release of their most powerful LLM yet. Massive innovations are going on in the AI world. Google are releasing text-to-video model capable of making motion picture standard videos. AI agents with tokens, crypto tokens, are outperforming top human KOLs. 15 plus teams expected to launch DeFi-enabled AI agents in Q1. Global liquidity is going through the roof. Plus, we're getting the interest rates cuts coming in, and you're still bearish on crypto AI. He makes it a fantastic point. McKay Wrigley, who is not really deep into crypto but is big into AI and programming, says AI and crypto is wildly mispriced. The Trump administration will come in and deregulate the entire crypto industry. This will happen at the same time as AI agents begin hitting the early stages of AI employee level. Crypto will be the financial rails for those agents. Digital employees plus programmable money. The easiest opportunity we've ever seen. And him, who is actually interesting, I've been exploring his Twitter a little bit recently, seems to almost be the Murad of AI. He says, in fact, down here he wrote, the rotation of liquidity from Murad's meme coin list into his list, which is mostly AI, is going to be biblical. And at the time of this tweet, AI owned more percentage of mind share in crypto than in meme coins at 24% versus 23%. Now, let's have a look how that reflects in the actual market caps of the tokens. So this is the top AI tokens on CoinMarketCap. All of them put together, all their market caps put together, from the biggest ones like Nia, Internet Computer, and Render, to the tiny ones with the $1 million market caps, have a total market cap of $50 billion. And you can once again see that they weren't around in the last bull run in 2021. This is the fresh bull market for AI. It's their first debut. They're going out to show us what they can do. And speculation is that they could reach trillions of dollars in market cap, up at 20x overall. And why is that possible? Well, because a single meme coin has the same market cap as the entire AI industry. This is Dogecoin, obviously the biggest meme coin, but how is all AI valued at the same price that one simple old meme coin is valued at? It's pretty insane. And our new friend of the channel, CryptoZackLA, said, all it takes is for one of our on-chain AI coins to be listed on Bybit or Binance, and the dominoes will start falling down and more will be listed on Binance, just like the meme coins. You are not prepared. Now, why is it important that AI tokens get listed on centralized exchanges like Binance? Well, let me show you in one very simple number. This is the top cryptocurrency spot exchanges, meaning centralized exchanges. This is where all the normies trade their crypto. Binance is the #1 exchange, both I think by users, but definitely by trading volume. In the last 24 hours alone, Binance has done almost $20 billion of trades on their platform. $20 billion in 24 hours. Let's have a look at a token that recently got listed on Binance, Peanut the Squirrel. If you come down to markets where it shows you how much volume is traded of the actual Peanut token itself, you can see $52 million of Peanut was traded on Binance in 24 hours. This number just blows my mind, when only $1.7 million was traded on the decentralized exchange of Radium. So this is where the crazy money is. And if we have a look at something like OGP, which has had a very strong pullback, the fully diluted market cap is $37 million. But we can take it to an extreme because you can see the impact that it would have and then pull it back to a non-extreme level. If just 10% of the volume was going into something like OGP, it would take it from a $37 million market cap way past a $2 billion, because that's volume. And this market cap would be into the $5 to $10 billion level, which would give you an absurd return on any token at this sort of valuation that gets listed on a massive exchange and has a lot of attention on it, because you have to realize there's a lot less tokens on exchanges that actually split that $20 billion a day. Here's a good example of Peanut and ACT, which got listed low cap meme coins. They're not AI coins, because the theory is that Binance is about to list the AI coins and they already have listed the meme coins. ACT went from $20 million to $800 million in just 15 hours after getting listed by Binance. This is the graph down here. Absolute crazy green candle, and then just kept going up and to the right. Peanut was at $100 million when I got listed, and I did a 20x to a $2 billion market cap in just 20 hours. Gremlin actually says, now imagine what happens when they shift to listing AI low caps. That's what this whole video is about. And we're not alone. The big golden KOL puppy, Alex Becker, also says, in the next month, we will see AI coins start to hit Binance. If this is true, there's going to be so much opportunity, it's not even funny. This is literally us dumping our bags on the normies that we've been preparing to do for 2 years, causing a meme coin-like explosion in their prices. I hope your bags are packed. Even Overdose says, notice how CZ, if you don't know who CZ is, he is the founder of Binance, the biggest centralized exchange. He's talking about AI coins a lot in the last 2 days. I wouldn't be surprised to see the big money trying to push this narrative in the next few weeks, with Binance listings filling the run, just like they did with the memes. And you can see down here, CZ tweeted, I'm not against memes, but meme coins are getting a little weird now. Let's build real applications using blockchain, potentially inferring the AI tokens and the AI agents. And Becker actually replied to this saying AI coins are about to go crazy. And in fact, you know that CZ is bullish on AI specifically, because he's even put here on December 13th that humans' last use case is to train AI, as in humans only existed to train up these AI models that are going to be much smarter than us and do way cooler and bigger, more awesome things than us. And that was our life purpose, was to give AI life and then us hand the keys to the universe to the AI. And even if he's satire, it shows you that he has a strong belief in AI. And now, which AI tokens are going to be listed by Binance? And are you trying to get into the ones that are listed by Binance? Or do you think when the big ones get listed by Binance, you want to go down the stack into the micro caps, the smaller market caps, because they're going to get lifted as the blue chips start getting listed by these exchanges? Well, Meigs, who we talked about in the video yesterday, he was one of the earliest people into Reploy, and he did, I think, a 30x on it, says he just bought a massive bag of PAL, one of the big blue chip AI tokens. Heard they're getting a Binance listing soon because they've fully removed their buy and sell tax. See you at $5, because PAL had a 5% buy and a 5% sell tax, meaning anytime you buy or sell it, you owe the project 5%. That's how they're making their income. And speculation is, in order to get listed on a tier 1 exchange, you cannot have that buy and sell tax. And this was actually confirmed because in the Morphware, the XMW community, someone asked, am I correct at thinking that a 5 buy and sell tax must be removed before any major SEX listing? SEX is a weird word, but a centralized exchange listing. Yes, this is from the Morphware community, the super admin, not just the admin, but the most super of them. Tax will be removed when we reach a goal of $10 million of fees collected from their buy and sell tax. And a centralized exchange is planned for Q1, yes. Now, Meigs, the guy who I just talked about, this guy here, who only had 100 followers when we mentioned him in the video yesterday, now he's almost at 1,000 followers just because he was so early to that call. I messaged him asking for some alpha, and he's actually playing this narrative pretty strongly himself. Well, first of all, I'm going to give you his biggest bags for this bull run, and he sent me these knowing that I'm going to be able to share them. He's got Anyone, OXO, ATH, Desync, XMW, GPU, Hash, and PAL. ATH, I actually don't know what that token is. I'll probably research it after this video. But the rest of them are basically the blue chips and the middle tier AI coins. He also said, I think currently one of the best plays on the market is to target some of the heavy hitter on-chain AI coins that are likely to get Binance listings due to their 24-hour volume. He's inferring the higher the volumes on the tokens, the more likely Binance is to list it. Most likely because Binance are making money when you buy and sell tokens. So Binance want to list the tokens, they get the most trade volume so they can make the most fees. Probably pretty easy fast track to $1 billion plus market caps for a lot of those if this happens, if they get listed by Binance. Most likely is PAL and Desync, which I've been loading up, expecting that to happen very soon. And in fact, Desync is Alex Becker's #1 AI crypto token, which has had a nice pullback recently over Christmas. Crypto God John, who we also track here on the channel, said that Binance just published an article for most search AI coins in 2024. Glad to see our bags on the list. I think AI crypto is just heating up. With CZ speaking about AI a lot recently, I wouldn't be surprised to get these listed and go higher. And he's given his list of tokens: Tau, Bitenza, desync as well, PAL as well, OXO as well, GPU, and Hash AI. And then the golden god KOL puppy, Alex Becker, said AI coins that have stayed semi-strong, like desync, PAL, OXO, AOS, and ATOR, which is now anyone, will rise to billion or multi-billion dollar market caps. AI coins that ate huge dumps due to FUD will return to their all-time highs. Either or is an easy AF way to score 5 to 10 X's in the next 6 to 8 months. He also wrote here that he didn't list the lower coins because what you can see with John and Meigs and Becker, these are the bigger market cap tokens because they're the ones that are most likely going to be listed by Binance first. But you can see something like PAL already has a $324 million market cap. So the way I'm personally playing this is I am exposed to some of these bigger cap AI tokens. But since AI is the narrative, and you have things like RAI or replay, which I covered in the video yesterday, doing absolutely absurd numbers over the next couple of days because it's at a way lower market cap, I've got and I'm getting more and more dry powder to go heavier into these smaller market cap tokens. Because it's my personal thesis is that when something like PAL gets listed on Binance, all the small market cap tokens, the ones in the 20s, the 15s, the $40 million market caps, even something like OGPU, they're going to be riding the wave being like, oh my God, Binance is full on listing the top AI tokens. OGPU could be next. You might see a 3, 4, 5x in something like PAL, but you could see a 10 or 15x way down the crypto whip. And so I'll probably do another video on the micro cap AI tokens that I'm personally looking at and the micro cap tokens that the big brain alpha puppy KOLs like as well. So make sure you subscribe to see that. But there's two more things that you might be interested in. This is the first. This is from him, who I've just started following him on Twitter. And he, like I said, he's almost like the Murad of AI. And he says, if you think sentient memes, which is AI and crypto together, these two things are the massive narrative, the big tech breakthroughs, are in the second half of their S-curve, you're not the first. You have to revise your models. He says we are in the really early stages. It's almost like being part of the internet back in 2001, even though it was invented late 80s or early 90s, you seem late to it, but the internet is going to be going for centuries or millennia, and we are so early. That is what him is saying about crypto and AI. And he says that sentient memes is probably going to be one of the earliest and best use cases, meaning Dogecoin, which we talked about way back up here, is now what's called a static old school meme. I've made up that term, but it's a static meme. Doge doesn't have a personality. He has humans who are trying to run his Twitter, trying to do his marketing for him. And it's not a dynamic, engageable where you can tweet at him and he'll tweet back on Twitter, AI 3D rendered or AI video, full on AI agent, which is actually the new sort of meme coins, the dynamic meme. So I'm actually thinking a lot of the big AI plays and a lot of the big AI agent plays are going to be under the guise of the top meme coins, and all these static memes will feel really outdated. And so to stay on top of these tokens and to stay on top of the microcap AI tokens that are coming out, you might want to get an alert like this. This is from our Rubicon Whale Tracker. This is from inside our inner circle, and we track the top traders and the biggest brains and the biggest influencers who can actually move markets in the world. We track their wallets, we track their portfolios, and we scrape their Twitter to uncover gems before they promote them to their audience. This is Reploy, which I did the video on yesterday. This is Crypto God John buying it, $14,000 worth at $1.35. Guys, if we go back to the Reploy graph, you can see that it's down here when the alert came through that one of the biggest KOLs, the biggest influencers in AI crypto, bought a token with a $10 million market cap. What do you think is going to happen to a token like that? Well, yeah, you're going to be right. It's going to absolutely explode. This has done a 4.7x since Christmas Day. And honestly, I put these in most of the videos, so I don't know how often I should be putting these results in the videos because I'm like, has everyone just seen these yet? But we did a 13x on the same sort of notification from Alex Becker buying into a meme coin at a $7 million market cap. We did a 12x from the same sort of notification inside our Rubicon Whale Tracker on Alex Becker buying into Pinlink when it went from $25 million market cap to $360 million market cap. And we have about 8 to 10 people that we track, and we're constantly adding the best traders in the world. So someone like Crypto Zach LA, who's been crushing it, someone like Meigs, who've been crushing it, we can start to add and track their wallets and their portfolios so we can get the same results that they can. once you have your Rubicon Whale Tracker installed, you want to make sure the Rubicon news feed's on. That's where me and Twilly55, the lead researcher inside the inner circle, are going to be posting our notifications and our roundup, even the latest roundup that we posted. If we scroll back through here, you can see we had Reploy at a $15 million market cap. If you want to come in and see the influencer portfolios, simply click on portfolios and then open up whichever influencer that you want to see what they're currently holding, because they're not all buying new tokens. A lot of them are just going to be holding their own tokens all through January as the market goes absolutely crazy. But for the buy and sell alerts, to make sure you're getting the notification when these influencers buy and sell, come and turn them on and off just in here and click done to make sure you save your selection. Come back to homepage to make sure your Rubicon Whale Tracker is live and scanning the blockchain, scanning Twitter, and scanning me and the lead researcher for any updates that might move you up that news cycle so you can make the most out of this super cycle. The link to this is in the description below. Go click join the inner circle or join the Whale Tracker. They'll take you to the same place where you can download, install this, and become a member of our awesome community. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.